Hello friends, Running Kimono. So we're going to look at two different deals in this video, the best gain deal and the best paper deal this week over at the Dollar General. And we're specifically going shopping on the 26th, which is Saturday. And what I'm going to encourage is for you guys to open up the app, double, triple check the prices on Saturday. With inflation and all this stupidity, maybe some prices may go up. They're saying end of the month, some of these P&G products might be, jumping in price, but just double, triple check that our math is in sync. And if you missed it, I made a couple videos about the 90% off gift sets, anything with this purple tag. If you look at the right-hand corner of any of these gifts, they have a little purple tag. They are 90% off, so that little slipper kit is $1. The other one is $1. The other one is 30 cents. Look for these kits high and low in your store. It might be worth your time. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is a majority of gain products. So we're going to use this 5 off of 25, but we're not going to use the 5 off of 30 because we're not getting a $30 basket because the digital coupons are not there. But we do have some decent coupons, so let's get a lot of gain products with the digitals, but using this 5 off of 25. Guys, first item we're going to grab for $6.95 is a Big Mama detergent. If you wish to grab that fabric softener for the same cost, you can do either or. And then we need this digital coupon loaded, which is a $2 off. As you can see, it expires on the 26th, so that is definitely use it or lose it. We're also going to grab one of these bags for $3.95 of the Gain Flings, 14 count, I believe. Now we also have this dollar digital coupon that's attaching, and it's also expiring on Saturday. So this is definitely use it or lose it. And then we're going to grab one of these babies for $4.95, which is a Gain detergent. Always scan the barcodes. This is a wild card always. Will it attach? Will it not attach? And this is the digital coupon that should be attaching to said product. And again, sorry to sound like a broken record, it expires on the 26th. We're also going to grab one of these Centrum vitamins for $5 on the nose. Now, I got a $3 digital coupon. Some of you that might be so lucky have a $4.50 digital coupon. So whichever one you might have, please make sure you have it loaded. It would make these really inexpensive, and I'm so jealous if you got that $4.50 coupon. And then we also have this guy for $4 or for $5.40. Sorry, I misspoke there. And we have a $4 digital coupon that's attaching. And even though it says $6, it's the wrong price. It's $4.50. And here is the wonderful digital coupon. So load this wonderful, wonderful coupon. Okay, so let's take a quick peek at the mathematics, guys. One Gain detergent for $6.95. One Gain Fling for $3.95. One Gain detergent, the smaller one, for $4.95. One Centrum vitamin for $5 on the nose, and one Schick razor for $5.40. So the total for all of this magic is $26.25. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number into the keypad. When the cashier presses the final pay button, 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon is coming off, along with the $11 of digital manufacturers that I just showed you in all the slides previous. You're paying $10.25 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $2.05 per product. If you consider that we have 3 Gain products, I don't think this is the worst deal. Okay guys, the next deal that we have is with paper. Now for this deal, we're going to be grabbing this ragtag of items that include 2 Scott paper toilet papers, 1 Scott paper towel, 1 item from the Dollar Spot, 4 Kleenexes, and 1 Gain for $6.95. Now I'm going to clue you into something. If you used your digital coupons last week for these products, you cannot use it a second time. However, there are digital coupons on coupons.com, so you would pay the difference and then apply for the coupons with that app, coupons.com. That's a way around it if you wish to get more paper. Okay, so the first friend that we need loaded for this little dealio is the 5 off of 25, so please make sure you have it loaded. Okay, so we're going to be grabbing 4 of these Kleenexes, either the longer boxes or the cubes. It is your choice. They're $1.50 a pop. So 4 of these guys. We're also grabbing 2 toilet papers by Scott as well, and they are $5 a pop. This is one product they have not increased the price point on, so that's really nice to see. And these are the digitals that you need loaded. As you can see, they're expiring on Saturday, so definitely use them or lose them. We have $1 off for and the $1 for the Scott toilet paper. Now, if you go over to your coupons.com app, we have $1 back when you buy one of these products. So you'll get $1 back that way. And it mirrors all of the coupons here. So you have the Scott, the Kleenex, the paper towel, all that good stuff on the coupons.com app. Also, photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because Kimberly-Clark is part of their catalog. You will get back extra points for this purchase. We're also grabbing one of these Scott paper towels, and they are $5.95. So this product did jump like 45 cents in the last little bit. And they did that midweek, so double, triple check the cost of this. You do not want any surprises at checkout. And then we have $1 digital coupon. Now, all of these products, if you look at them in the app or in the store, they're tagged with this, which is save $4 instantly when you spend $20. That is instant savings at the till. You do not have to load a coupon for that. So it's going to really like play into our math where we need a $25 basket to get that 5 off of 25 to work. I've already factored in the mathematics though, but make sure that when you're picking up the products that this is popping up in the app or it's tagged in store. Okay, so now we're going to grab one of these guys for $6.95. I think it's just such a tremendous value for this detergent, and I really like Gain. I don't know if you guys like Gain as much as I do. And then we have a $2 digital coupon for this guy, so it's just kind of a convenient thing. But if you add everything up after the $4 of instant savings, guess what, guys? We're short by 10 cents. So I'm going to say to grab something in the dollar spot. If you want to grab like a 50-cent pack of gum at the front of the store, you can do that as well. But I'm just going to grab one of these Be Actives, you know, put it in your car. It's a great little thing, but anything to get that basket right to 25. So do not forget the dollar spot or the 50-cent item. You need something to get your basket right to 25. Absolutely critical. Okay, so let's look at the math for this one. 2 of the Scott's toilet papers at $5 a pop is 10. 1 Scott paper towel for $5.95. 4 Kleenexes, those boxes at $1.50 each, that's $6, for a total of $21.95. We have 4 off of 20 instant savings, so our new total is $17.95. We have 1 Gain detergent for $6.95, $1 spot items for $1. The new total is $25.95. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. He or she will press the final pay button. 5 off of 25 Saturday, along with $5 of digitals are melting off. You're paying $15.90 out of pocket plus your tax, and then you're going to get $1 back from the coupons.com app. So you scan the barcode and photograph the receipt, and boom, that happens for you. So the final price point here is $14.90 for the 9 items, or $1.65 per product. This is a 100% digital deal, and let's not forget that if you used your digital coupons for the Scott, toilet paper, paper towel, and Kleenex the previous week, you can't use them twice. So definitely go the coupons.com route to get some extra savings. And just to let you guys know, like, where's Viva? Where's the Viva paper towel? Because there's also a Viva coupon. Unfortunately, every store around here, they just do not carry that one product. It's really hard to find. But if you wanted to sub in some Viva paper towel, just make sure your math balances. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.